Independence did not end in 1898. It continues in every Filipino building something from nothing. Kaya sa bawat negosyo na sinisimulan, sa maliit na puhunan, sa bawat diskarte para mabuhay ang kumpanya, sa bawat manggagawa na nagpupursige, that is modern-day independence. Kasi being free in business doesn't mean it's easy. It means you take full ownership. Walang sisihan, walang excuses, just decisions, risks, and courage. So to every Filipino employee, entrepreneur, leader, saludo kami sa inyo because every time you build, sell, lead, or try again, you are continuing the fight for real independence. Malaya, pero responsable. Proud, pero persistent. Happy Independence Day, Pilipinas. For more videos like this, follow us at YesBizCore and stay #empowered to empower.